Well, hello you guys. You have been asking for this eyeshadow look, so I'm showing it to you today. So the makeup palette I am using is the Shades by SHAN and the Makeup by Yaya collab eyeshadow palette. Love it. And the first color that I am going to start with is Dreamer. But now if you don't have this palette, anything that's similar, you guys, I want you to use, and you'll need a couple of brushes. Now, as you see, I tap off that Dreamer color, and this is just a transition color. And what that means is this color is just gonna be a little bit darker than your natural eye color, so it doesn't have to be anything intense. It's just gonna help blend everything out. Now, I like to put this all over the eyelid and use these kind of like circular motions. And if you mess up, it's not a big deal. We're not professional makeup artists here. We're just trying to look cute and get a good eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And again, I like to drag it underneath the lower lash line because I really think that makes the color pop, your eye color pop, and just kind of like puts the whole eye look together. So you don't have to do this, but I would recommend that you do. The next color that I'm going into is Self-Made, which is this really nice like brick color, and I'm gonna focus that color right on the outer corner. Now this is the key. Just focus it on the outer corner, and it doesn't have to be clean. Just kind of stamp it on there as you see that I'm doing here. Because once you get that down, you're gonna blend. Now I'm using these beautiful blending brushes from BK Beauty, but use whatever you have around the house. The key is that window washing motion. See how I go back and forth and back and forth, and then kind of drag that Self-Made color on the outer corner in and just keep on blending. I'm gonna go back with Self-Made again. So this is a key. You can add on, start small and then add on, especially if you're just starting and you're a little bit worried. And then my friends, blend, blend, blend. Yes, you know I'm gonna keep on blending. Now I'm gonna go in with even a darker color, which is Girl Boss. And again, you can use any palette you want, and I'm just stamping it on the outer corner. This is really gonna give me a little bit more contour and really make the eyeshadow look come together. And again, here we go, blending. But this time I'm only keeping the blending on the outer corner. I'm not dragging it all the way in. Now this is where it's gonna get fun. I'm gonna put this beautiful Moxie color right on the lid, and I would highly recommend if you have a glittery or bronzy color to lay it down all over the lid. Now to highlight the eyes, I'm gonna use this gorgeous cream color called Wifey. So any cream color that you have right in the inner corner to brighten up this eye look. This is key in this makeup look. And then I like to bend my head back and check on both sides, and if something's uneven, just go ahead and blend it out again with a clean blending brush. Now I had to be a little bit extra, so I'm putting the color Canceled on the outer corner, which is this really deep, beautiful purple. You don't have to do this, but a lot of you guys had asked. And then I also just put a little bit of that line of that extra color, that bright color in the inner corner, and then I go ahead and blend it out. But I love the way that looks. So that is basically the end of the eyeshadow look. Hope you guys love that, but I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. And I did the Shades by SHAN lipstick in New York and the rest of my makeup. And of course, I'd like to show you in all different lighting in front of my window and then in my closet, my favorite place to film. And I hope you guys love this eyeshadow look. Bye. Hi, my name's Samantha, and I'm here with Sephora today to do my nighttime skincare routine for skin over 40 and over 50. I want to get all this off right away, so let's get right into it. Okay, my first step is going to be using the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Oil Cleanser. Vitamin C is extremely